This is a lesson to learn how to divide fractions. We will use the example of dividing 2/3 by 10/12. We are going to use the keep, change, flip method to divide these fractions. You can remember this method by using the acronym KCF, which stands for Kentucky Chicken Fried instead of Kentucky Fried Chicken. The reason this works is because dividing fractions is the same thing as multiplying the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. You keep the first fraction, which in our case is 2/3. Then you change the division symbol into a multiplication symbol. Then you flip the second fraction, which in our case is 10/12. This becomes 12/10. Now you have to do a straightforward multiplication equation. We multiply 2 times 12, and we get 24 as the numerator. We multiply 10 and 3, and we get 30 as the denominator. Our answer is 24/30, but we must simplify. They both share a common factor of 6, so the simplified fraction is 4/5. You can also get to the answer by using the cross-canceling method. This means that you simplify the fractions by finding the common factor of the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction and dividing them by that factor, and then you repeat that for the opposite numerator and denominator. In our case, because 2 is a factor of 10, the numerator of the first fraction becomes 1, and the denominator of the second fraction becomes 5. Then, because 3 is a factor of 12, the denominator of the first fraction becomes 1, and the numerator of the second fraction becomes 4. Your multiplication problem is now 1/1 times 4/5, so the answer is still 4/5.